Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Ps4 and ensuring your TV shows the console output. This is critical because you need visual feedback right away. Next, make sure your smartphone is on the same Wi-Fi network or that you have a USB keyboard or mouse ready. These act as temporary controls. Once done, open the PlayStation app on your phone or plug the USB device into a front port. This gives you an alternate input method to begin navigating to the home screen. You now connect the chosen input method. If using the PlayStation app, enable second screen or remote play and pair to the Ps4 following on screen prompts. This communicates input commands over Wi-Fi. If using a USB keyboard or mouse, plug into a front USB port and wait a few seconds for the Ps4 to recognize it. Then use arrow keys or WASD and enter or touch controls in the app to move focus and select menu items. This is how you directly reach the home screen without a dual shock. You finish by opening the home or quick menu through the app's PS button or by pressing the keyboard key Map to start or enter. This should bring you to the Ps4 home screen so you can launch apps or change settings. Once on home, make sure to pair or charge a dual shock later via settings device's Bluetooth devices. If nothing responds, restart the Ps4 and reattempt the app pairing or try a different USB port. That often clears recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.